Setting up payroll taxes in Wave seems straightforward until a missed checkbox or misconfigured state ID leads to penalties, unexpected tax notices, or IRS sync failures. The core problem small business owners face isn't just running payroll, it's navigating Wave's automated tax engine without making silent configuration errors that compromise liability calculations. Fear of triggering state compliance audits, miscalculating worker withholdings, or incorrectly generating year-end Form W-2s and Form 1099 NECs keeps many entrepreneurs up at night. The most common question is, how do you configure Wave's payroll tax profile to ensure 100% compliance while keeping bookkeeping automated? Here is the exact setup protocol to guarantee your tax settings in Wave operate flawlessly. First, lock down your business tax profile under Settings. Wave relies on an embedded tax engine to calculate federal, state, and local withholdings. Navigate to Payroll Settings and open the Tax Profile tab. You must enter your exact legal business name, registered business structure, such as S-Corp or sole proprietorship, federal employer identification number, EIN, and physical primary operating address. A common mistake here is using a DBA instead of the registered IRS legal name. Mismatching this data causes electronic filing rejections for federal and state returns. Second, configure your state tax identification numbers and contribution rates. In the tax profile, select every state where you have tax nexus or active remote employees. Input your state unemployment tax (SUTA) account number and your specific SUTA tax rate assigned by your state workforce agency. Because SUTA rates change annually, failing to update this percentage directly inside Wave will lead to underpayment of state unemployment taxes and subsequent interest penalties. Third, properly classify workers during employee and contractor onboarding. For employees, ensure their W-4 withholding selections, filing status, dependents, and extra withholdings are accurately transcribed into their individual profile under Payroll Employees. Ensure the working location and residential address are both verified, as local tax withholdings in states like Pennsylvania or Ohio depend on precise municipal boundaries. For independent contractors, enter their taxpayer identification number and address up front so Wave cleanly isolates contractor pay from payroll tax calculations, making year-end 1099 processing seamless. Fourth, set up your tax funding bank account. Under Payroll Settings, link an active USD business checking account designated for direct debit of payroll tax liabilities. Wave's full-service payroll automatically draws and remits federal and state tax payments on your behalf. Ensuring this funding account is verified prevents failed tax remittances and avoids automatic service halts. Finally, verify payroll tax mapping in your chart of accounts. Go to Accounting, Chart of Accounts, and inspect your liability section. Confirm that Wave has generated designated sub-accounts for payroll liabilities, federal tax payable, and state tax payable. This ensures that every time payroll runs, tax liabilities and employer-side expenses automatically balance on your general ledger, keeping your profit and loss statement accurate without manual journal entries. By completing your legal tax profile, setting accurate SUTA rates, mapping local jurisdictions, and establishing automated liability mapping, you completely eliminate compliance risk and maximize Wave's automated tax engine.